Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow competitors speaking. It appears that BTC is in the midst of completing the final stage of the fractal that we were able to locate on the chart. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new here, we're going to leave a link in the video so you can just kind of watch that video and understand the fractal that we're going to take a look at here. I'll kind of explain it here briefly for you. So let's see what we have on the charts, and let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's April the 13th, 2021, and the current price of BTC is going to be $63,220.74. It's up approximately 5.6% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR Interesting Analysis. So actually, here's a video that we posted. Okay, so this is the video, April the 10th, 2021. Is Bitcoin breaking out right now? I just really wanted to pull up this video so that you can look on the screen there. Here's a fractal that we were following. Here's the lines that we've been following. Super simple, like super simple, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just returning back from the other video that we left a link for, hopefully we left it here or something, and then watch that video and come back. Now, notice that we posted the video on this candle, this green candle here, April the 10th. I definitely thought BTC was breaking out. That was incorrect. It appears that BTC will be breaking out on this candle right here. Let me just got to do like a brief explanation. So the 1, 2, 3 basically stands for number 1, the yellow line, BTC gets rejected at that line. Number 2, the red line is just a descending line that kept the price from going up. If you can just kind of see that, like the descending line, until they kind of broke up on this candle right here. And then it took like 3-day candles to break above the yellow line. Hopefully you caught that. Okay, I explained it more into detail in the other video, but on this fractal, this area here, it's a little bit different. It's a lot choppy actually. There's been a five 3-day candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 5 3-day candles, assuming that this will be an official break above the yellow line, completing the third part of this fractal. I'm going to explain to you there's only one thing that we're going to be paying attention to in order to determine whether or not the markets will continue to thrust significantly higher. So we're going to go over that here in a second. But yeah, it appears that we need to see some volume. Let's pull up the volume while we're talking about it to see if there's any volume. No, none of the volume has stepped in just yet. We also posted a video saying that BTC will likely see volume this week. Yeah, we still have no volume yet. We're still waiting on the volume. Will we get it? Well, I'm not sure. I'm saying we're actually long the market. We've been long the market for some time now on BTC. I think the doc knows who watches us. So that's all we're waiting on, guys. We're waiting to see some volume. We're also waiting to see this 3-day developing candle close. Okay, remember, anything can change on this candle. We still have 2 days and 4 hours on this candle. So by April the 16th, 2021, if this green candle closes above the yellow line here, the yellow line is currently at about $61,643, okay, then that will be an official breakout above this yellow line, completing this interesting fractal that we were able to locate before this even took place. Okay, now the one thing that we're going to do, and hopefully I can make this let's see if I can just kind of erase everything. So there's one thing that we're going to do. I'm going to pull up an oval area here, just kind of outlining the official breakout candle and potentially where we are now on the official breakout candle. And because I really like keeping this stuff like super simple for you guys to understand. So let's just say that this will be an official breakout on this 3-day candle. Okay, the current candle that's developing, that again has 2 days and 4 hours to close. Okay, if we are comparing this to what has taken place in the past on the fractal that we've already erased, that hopefully you remember, on this green candle here, the only thing that I will do is put a horizontal line at the close of the breakout candle. That's it. That's it. Super simple. Okay, and the reason that I'm going to do that is because it's not guaranteed to actually play out exactly how it did in the past, but it's something for us to have a reference in terms of what could take place again. Notice this 3-day candle, okay, this breakout candle, February the 6th, 2021. The candle closed, okay. The exact area where the candle closed on this red line here, the market continued to move to the upside, to thrust to the upside, and then when it eased, notice it came back right down to the close of the breakout candle. Super simple, right? So let's assume that, this is super hypothetical, guys. This is literally going to be like a random number. Let's just say Bitcoin closes near or just below $70,000, okay? And the same thing takes place. We get the buyer's commitment candle to come in and close at the $70,000 or just below the $70,000 level. And we get a thrust to the upside, potentially reaching like 77,000, and maybe come back for a back test. The only level that we're looking at, okay, so we have to wait for the close, is where the 3-day candle will close. Wherever the close is, that's the level that we'll put a horizontal line, like this red line. We'll kind of move it, adjusted it accordingly. That is the only level that we'll pay attention to in order to understand whether or not it will continue higher and have a back test, or just to continue to blast off into the atmosphere, into the stratosphere, whichever one you want to refer to, okay? So that's what I would be paying attention to. Hopefully this makes sense. It's like super simple. We're ahead of ourselves. We don't even know if BTC is going to officially break above that yellow line that we had on the chart. So we're definitely like 10 steps ahead of ourselves here, saying that it will break out. It's not official just yet, guys. Okay, I'm never the one trying to get everyone all hyped up and going out and buy BTC. And of course the market turns against you. Okay, I don't do that. I just pull out the lines, the practical levels as far as out and I can see it, and then we just take it from there. Okay, so let's let this play out. Let's let this candle close and figure out where the close will be on this 3-day candle. Put that horizontal line on the chart, and then we'll use that as a reference point to understand where the market could retrace back down to, if there will be a retracement after this candle closes on the 3-day. Okay. And that's pretty much all I have. Hopefully this was useful, guys. Thank you for your time. We're going to cut it out here. And yeah, it appears that BTC is definitely going to be breaking out officially here over the course of next 2 days and a few hours, okay? So yeah, take care of yourselves. And also, before you go, while we covered the traditional markets, if you are into stocks, we'd love to earn your subscription and send that information to you throughout the week, 7 days. We go over it, okay? So be sure to exercise your strategies out there, please. Okay, protect your portfolios. We're going to talk soon, and bye for now.